Summary: Charles struggles with immobility and insecurities on his journey to meet Dr. Now in My 600-Pound Life. Charles worries that he will get stuck on the plane and that the paramedics will need to help him get out. Charles's fears of being judged are valid, but Dr. Now has massive experience helping morbidly obese patients. The new My 600-Pound Life cast member, Charles, loses all mobility while traveling to meet Dr. Yunan Nowzaradan. The reality show features morbidly obese people and focuses on their real-life struggles. The latest season is no different, featuring many cast members and their shocking stories. My 600-Pound Life Season 12, Episode 7, is about Charles' journey. The former drug addict struggled with various obsessions before falling in love with food. He ate so much that he gained excess weight and pushed his BMI above 100. Charles relies on his brother for the most basic tasks. Charles feels out of his comfort zone in a public place where everyone stares at him. Recently, Access Hollywood posted an exclusive preview of Charles' journey in My 600-Pound Life. The clip shows the reality star in a wheelchair as his brother pushes him across the airport. He says, "I knew this wasn't going to be easy." He adds, "My body is starting to hurt," admitting that he's no longer able to breathe. The next scene in the preview shows Charles entering the plane and stumbling towards his seat. He gaps and admits, "My knees are exploding with pain." Related 20 Best Reality TV Shows. Right now reality TV is more popular than ever. With so many to choose from, here are some of the best reality TV shows to stream or watch right now. Charles thinks Dr. Now will be surprised after seeing him. Charles believes Drive. Now is the only one who can save him from dying. The preview highlights Charles's insecurities, including his fear of meeting Drive. Now, he says, "How surprised Dr. Now is going to be when he sees me in his office in person." He also talks about his other worries, such as the fear of being stuck on the plane. Charles adds, "My worst fear is getting stuck in the aisle, and then they have to call a paramedic to cut me out." The My 600-Pound Life star also admits he wasn't feeling as confident as he did before starting the trip. However, he acknowledges that he has no other options. Charles's fears are valid because of his current size and condition. Apart from being over 600 pounds, he has various health issues that stop him from doing daily things. To make matters worse, he's traveling on a plane to meet Dr. Now because he lives far away from Houston, Texas. Usually, My 600-Pound Life cast members take a car ride to the famous surgeon's clinic. While their journey is tough, traveling with loved ones in a personal vehicle is still far easier than catching a plane or using other public transport. Charles's worries about meeting Dr. Now are valid, but he's overthinking it in the preview clip. Over the last few decades, Dr. Now has met hundreds of morbidly obese people. Not only has the surgeon performed several weight loss surgeries, but motivated dozens of patients to become fit. Dr. Now knows everything about obesity and how to help his patients become healthy again. While savage, Dr. Now knows how to help patients drop excess weight and gain control. Dr. Now won't judge Charles because he has seen every type of patient in My 600-Pound Life. My 600-Pound Life airs Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on TLC. Source: Access Hollywood. YouTube. My 600-Pound Life. 2012, TV14 reality cast Jonathan Nowzaradan, Lola Clay. Release date February 1, 2012. Seasons 12. Streaming services TLC Go. Directors Tatiana Andrich, Jonathan Nowzaradan. Main genre reality creators Jonathan Nowzaradan.